We're
doing the high jump.
We're recording live.
We're playing for the Olympics.
Go, go, go! Faster! She survived. She's stuck.
Oh my God!
Where are we at right now?
Oh, snow!
We're on Roscoe Seminary. You got snow, where? There's a brown line. Okay.
Wow.
The Adventures of Deana and Blizzard of 2011.
The Snow-nami.
Put it on YouTube. Any more mountains you want to jump on? There's another one there. Go for it. Between the parked cars. I'll get you coming at it. Right here. 5, 4, 3, take off! Faster! Are you okay? You need help? Come to Come on! You look. Push! You gotta push off!
I'm throwing my hand up!
You're like the little kid that couldn't get off. Why'd you wear your good coat? Alright. We survived.
Oh my God.
This is some big snow. Look how far she sinks.
No, actually I'm up on top of the ground there.
Alright. Let me stop it.